In this video, I'll show you how to jump peak in Valorant. Alright, it's pretty easy to do. Let's say, for example, we wanted to jump peak this robot right here. Alright, this bird robot. This guy. I'll just kill that. Or just this guy. Alright. Now, to jump peak, just imagine that you would make a circular motions right in your movement keys. WASD. Alright, say for example, jump, then WASD. All right. Say for example, I'm gonna show you. All right. As you can see, jump, WASD. Make a circular motion. You can do this backwards as well. As you can see, WDSA. All right. Just keep in mind that you wanted to gain speed by pushing W first, then jump, W jump, then circular motion, W jump. All right. Jump. Now you can just play with this every time and you'll get used to it. All right. As you can see here, as we all know, movement is a must in every FPS games, as it will just give you advantage. All right. As you can see here, again, going back, let's try this side right here. As you can see, forward, WASD, forward ASD, forward ASD. All right. Forward ASD. And again, this side, forward DSA. All right. You could also jump with it. As you can see, that's basically how you do it. Or you could also use this technique right here, which you will hide your head. Say, for example, forward jump and turn your mouse. All right. Forward jump, turn your mouse, and press AD key when necessary. All right. Will just give you speed to go back. All right. As you can see here, use your mouse. It's easier this way. All right. Again, use the mouse and A key. As you can see, you can go back wider or longer. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.